What it do? How y'all doing today? Happy Saturday. It's been a minute since I recorded something, so um probably gonna do once a week video and probably post this on a Sunday. So maybe once or twice a week, depending on how we feel. But anyways, Bella's right there. We are yeah. We are going to a I guess a air show where they fly planes and jets and stuff. So we'll see how that is. Probably like 30 minutes away from here. We're gonna meet up with my cousins.
And I'm not coming.
She's not coming. But yeah, anyways. Yeah, that's pretty much the agenda today. Can you give me a second? Okay? Let me talk. But anyways, gonna go do all that. Everyone wants to be in the camera. But yeah, so chill day. I don't know. Hopefully everything is a good vibe day. And yeah, stay tuned. And I'll show you guys how that air show is. Peace. Go. Are you ready? Ready to enjoy this somewhat? Ready. So
We're going to.
Haven't ate anything, so hopefully my cousin has a snack that I can eat. So, but we're ready. CJ, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. I'm also pretty lit. As you can tell, my eyes are very low. But no one knows because I have this cool glasses. Oh yeah. How we looking? Looking alright? Looking like a dad. Anyways, if you haven't watched the other videos, go ahead and do so. I made a pork belly banh mi sandwich that was delicious. So Chris liked it because it was tasty. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you want that recipe. And yeah, we are on the way. See you guys in a bit. Say bye.
Bye.
Deuces.
What's up, cool kid?
So, Cuz got this rental for the week, and pretty cool. Can fit a bunch of kids and adults. Go inside, Papa. We are ready. You guys fit?
Yeah. We made it.
All right.
Close the doors.
are here, ready for the air show. Doo-doo.
It's very bright.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Here, I'll grab all this stuff.
Oh, here,
Kinda
other
record.
sunglasses. These ones are bigger. Oh, babe! I found them!
It's all crying and everything.
We did it!
Cousins left us. We're right here.
We made it!
Right.
Look, you see the airplane, CJ?
Got the curry. All right. We walking. So this guy was throwing a fit, getting into his car seat.
He's doing all right now.
Wants to be carried all the time. Not trying to carry him. Back hurts. So. Did you look?
You want to wear your head? Wear it.
Because it's too loud.
It's gonna be too loud.
Got the little one there. We are ready. Can't really see it. Yeah, so these earmuffs don't really help.
Free cruise, folks, right here.
Cruise? Free cruise.
How's it going? Register
Good,
your
good.
ticket for Chelsea in the cruise.
Cool, thank you.
Oh, you got one? Great.
Sure.
Just register your ticket and mail any one of our iPads.
All right. No.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Hello. Close. Right here. I guess good spot. Got all the food still behind us too.
See the airplanes? Sweet, huh?
We are back. Gonna go ahead and check out the planes. Alright, y'all, how y'all doing? So we just left my cousin's house and we are now heading to my aunt's house. So probably gonna stop by the store and get a bunch of ingredients because we are going to make some shrimp and pork egg rolls. Well, not really egg rolls, but wonton rolls. So we'll see how that is, and yeah, show you guys how it's made and a taste test, of course. We are at Walmart. And we are going to get those ingredients. So we're trying to Walmart. Oh. Oh, what is this one? This is cool. Aizen here rolling some shrimp. What do you call this? Shrimp,
What you guys got here?
I'll say shrimp lollipop or something like that.
shrimp lollipop. So, see how it tastes. Shrimp lollipops.
Shrimp lollipop. Taste test.
Try this.
Take one. What do you guys think? What's the verdict?
It's hot.
Hot?
Good.
Yeah, pretty good.
Hot but good.
Yeah,
It's good, Aizen?
Really good.
it's juicy.
Juicy?
Give some to Bella.
Cool. All right.
Mm-hmm.
You want to get there and have to go somewhere and drive again? Probably give the car a rest like 3 hours, 4 hours.
Yeah. Yeah, the filling. Alright, y'all. So, just got home. What a long day. Had a lot of stuff going on, but yeah. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Also, if you haven't watched the other videos, go ahead and do so. And at the end, and I'm gonna put, if you want the recipe for the food I made, I'm gonna put it on the description below. And then also, I thought about changing this YouTube channel, so stay tuned for that. And then until next time, y'all, we out. Peace.